Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ConvertKit, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a ConvertKit account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up and create a ConvertKit account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your email list, and ConvertKit is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on the ConvertKit website, convertkit.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. So I've already opened up their website, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to create an account, you want to click on one of these green buttons, get started for free or sign up for free. Okay, now in order to create a ConvertKit account, you have to put your name, email address, and create a password. Also agree to their terms of service. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, so once you do that, ConvertKit will bring you to this screen where they let you know there's about 4 different steps for you to go ahead and create your account. So first they're asking if you already have an email marketing tool in your business. So I'm going to click no and continue. And then now they're asking, how big is my audience? So let me go ahead and just put 1 to 1,000. Okay, next they're asking what the brand is called. So let me go ahead and just put the name of my channel and I'll click continue. Okay, next you can go ahead and choose your custom domain. That's an extension of the ConvertKit website. So they made this one for me. That one looks okay. So I'll go ahead and leave that. You can go ahead and change that if you don't like the way that it looks. I'll click continue. Okay, now they're asking what type of creator I am. So just choose whichever one applies to you. So let me click on YouTube and continue. Okay, now they're asking what your goals are with ConvertKit. So for me, I want to go ahead and grow my list. So I'm going to click here and continue. Okay, so here, when they're verifying your account, because you're going to be sending emails out from ConvertKit, ConvertKit will take a look at this to approve your account to be able to send email. So this is optional, but I would highly recommend go ahead and fill this out. And that way it's not going to slow you down from sending emails from ConvertKit. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my YouTube channel here. Okay, I put my YouTube channel and I'm going to click continue. Okay, next they have this kind of welcome video. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to the homepage on ConvertKit. So I can go ahead and start putting together my emails and my landing pages. Just note that when you're putting together an email campaign, ConvertKit will be required to review your account just to make sure that you're not going to be sending out spam before those emails are going to go live. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a ConvertKit account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.